Psychology Waves deals with common sense media. This YouTube channel devoted entirely to providing the best digital tips and tools for modern educators. Please watch this video till end, and if you like this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon to get the alerts.
Most hard-working 7-letter word? Haji? You're right. The most hard-working 7-letter word is success, नहीं? और success मिलाने के लिए, to get success, tremendous hard work is needed, tremendous determination is needed, tremendous patience is needed, tremendous knowledge is needed. You need to have a lot of patience, and we will fail. When you want to achieve success in your career, in your academics, in your business, in your profession, we will fail. And that's the example of the giraffe. The giraffe, when the baby giraffe is born, falls from such a high distance straight on the ground, and as the mother comes and positions the giraffe, and guess what she does first? Gives it a hard kick. बच्चे का जन्म होता है और माँ आके खाट से लात मारती है. तो बच्चा समझता नहीं, अभी तो आया है जिंदगी में, मतलब लात मारे, कौन लात मारा, लात का मतलब क्या है मालूम नहीं उसको, अचानक एक झटका मिलता है उसको. So as it's just coming out of that impact, झटका, the mother gives a bad second harder kick. Now the guy understands. अगर मैं कुछ किया नहीं तो ये चलता रहेगा सिलसिला. So this baby giraffe starts getting up on its wobbly legs, you know, on its wobbly legs. And as the baby giraffe gets up on the wobbly leg, थोड़ा खड़ा होकर, खड़ा होना सीखा ना, फैड एक और लात मारती है माँ. फिर गिर के he gets up and starts running. And then the mother giraffe goes, hugs the baby and starts kissing the baby. You know why? Because the baby giraffe's flesh is very soft and supple, and hyenas and lions love it. The mother knows that I can't be with the baby giraffe all the time, I have to go and get food for the baby. How would I protect it? इसलिए पहले ही एक ऐसी लात मारो कि ये उठना सीखे, और फिर जैसे थोड़ा उठा ना तो एक और लात मारो तो याद रहे और फिर उठना सीखे. जिंदगी भी माँ मदर जिराफ जैसी है, कई बार लात मारती है. We fail, we should get up, and we'll fail again. We should get up, and like I always say, don't just go through life, grow through life. My first flight to London, British Airways, BA197. I go to the airport. My friend, His Grace Radha Vallabh Prabhu, made first class aloo parathas for me for my lunch pack, because I don't eat the flight food. And he made a bottle of mango milkshake, 1 liter. And he put it in that steel bottles you get these days. And I carried that little bag and went through the X-ray machine security, put it through the security. The other side it came, the parathas went through the bottle. The security guy said, "You can't take this, sir." I said, "Why?" So this is liquid. I said, "This is not liquid, this is sublime."
To get our videos alerts first for you, please subscribe and press the bell icon.
This is mango milkshake. This is liquid for us. You're only allowed 100 ml. You can't take 1 liter fluid liquids on the plane. I said, "Sir, this is mango milkshake. You can't do this." He said, "I don't understand anything." And now as he heard that it is mango milkshake, he had expectation on his face. Steel का bottle भी मिलेगा, mango milkshake भी मिलेगा. मैं बोला इसको तो मैं नहीं दूंगा, बाहर जाके भिखारी को दूंगा, लेकिन इसको नहीं दूंगा. So I went to look for a beggar. अच्छा भिखारी किधर मिलेगा उधर एयरपोर्ट पे? फिर भी एक मिला. And then I said, भाई मैंगो मिल्क शेक पिएगा? So he had expression on his face. किसी ने उसको ऐसा सवाल पूछा ही नहीं जिंदगी में. So I said, खराब नहीं है, अच्छा है. I took 2 drops and said, ले लो. He said, bottle नहीं है प्रभु. So then I purchased the Bisleri bottle, emptied the bottle, transferred the contents, gave it back, came back to the X-ray machine, put it through the machine, it went through, and the guy was frustrated that I didn't get the mango milkshake. As I got on to BA197, I pulled my laptop out, and the first line I typed on a Microsoft Word file was, when you take a flight off, you must know what you can carry along. If you don't, at the X-ray machine, things will be left behind. When the flight of life takes off ना, end में वो यमराज के सिक्योरिटी गार्ड उधर खड़े हैं एक्सरे मशीन में. कल खरीदा मैंने कार. Not allowed on board, sir. Sorry. अरे मेरी सुंदर पत्नी. Not allowed on board, sir. Sorry. When you take a flight, you know what you can take along and what you cannot. And therefore, when life ends, we must know what will go with us and what will not. Therefore, what is success? Iha and para. Success in this world is achieve, earn, gain, and serve.
To get our videos alerts first for you, please subscribe and press the bell icon.